Monday, SDPC, and welcome to another Monday Minute. My name is Joy Ellison, and this week we are spotlighting a partnership that truly makes a splash. Our district's collaboration with local recreational facilities to provide swim lessons to every second grader in the school district of Pickens County. Find out more on this week's Monday Minute. For more than 5 years, this program has continued to grow, expanding each year thanks to strong partnerships with the Powdersville YMCA, the Easley YMCA, the Pickens YMCA, and the Central Clemson Rec. Through this initiative, all second grade students across the district have the opportunity to participate, serving more than 1,100 students annually. While families always have the option to opt their child out, we're proud to offer this opportunity at no cost to parents because access, safety, and equity matter. Students attend swim lessons twice a week for 8 weeks, beginning with a pre-assessment and ending with a swim skills assessment to measure growth. Students are grouped based on their incoming skill levels, allowing instruction to meet each child where they are. Along the way, they learn essential water safety and foundational swimming skills, abilities that can truly be life-saving.
Hello, my name is Denise Montgomery, and I'm the Aquatics Director here at the Easley YMCA. Today we're hosting East End Elementary. At the beginning of each lesson, we teach them the safety of water, certain situations that they're going to face and how they would handle that. We have such a large range of swimming abilities, so we like to meet those children where they are. Some of our children come and they are very familiar with the water. Some have already had swim lessons, but some children are scared to death of the water. Our goal is at the end of the 8 lessons, if the kids can simply learn to jump in, submerge underwater, come up, turn around, and get out of the water, then that is a life-saving skill. Like it took our last. We have awesome lifeguards. As you can see, they love the swim lessons as much as the children do.
We're very appreciative that the district and the YMCA have such a great partnership. It gives our students a great opportunity just to go and learn a life skill to where they can be safe, and it builds so much of their confidence just watching them come back, and that just carries over into the classroom.
It is so cool that we get to leave school and come to the YMCA.
It also creates a lot of equity for students that do not have the cost, the transportation, or availability, and it just gives everybody an equal opportunity to learn.
I love it when I swim because I like to float.
Okay, go! Guess how many fingers I have?
I've gotten really good at doggy paddling.
We celebrate on the very last swim lesson. We just have a party. We throw in beach balls and we get to see the kids just enjoy themselves. Then they get to have a group swim lesson with their school, with their teachers, and we just celebrate that and they just have a wonderful time.
Just want to thank our district and thank the YMCA for our great partnership for student success. We really appreciate you from East End.
We had so much fun swimming at the YMCA today.
What's your favorite part?
Swimming.
Bye, guys! At SDPC, partnerships like this reflect our district's commitment to student safety, whole child development, and meaningful community collaboration. This program is a powerful example of what's possible when schools and community partners work together with students at the center. Thanks so much for tuning into this week's Monday Minute. We hope that you'll join us next week to find out where we are, who we're talking to, and what great things are happening in the school district of Pickens County.